In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a flowchart in Miro. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to this versatile tool, this tutorial will walk you through the process, ensuring you can create an effective and visually appealing flowchart with ease. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to Miro.com. This online collaborative whiteboard platform is a fantastic resource for designing and sharing your ideas, with a user-friendly interface that makes creating flowcharts a breeze. Once you've reached the Miro homepage, look for the Sign In option. If you already have a Miro account, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Alternatively, Miro also offers options to continue with Google, Microsoft, or another provider, making the login process straightforward. Upon successfully logging in, you'll find yourself at the Miro dashboard. Here you have a couple of options to get started. You can either choose an existing board if you have one that you would like to add to, or you can opt to create a new board to have a fresh canvas for your flowchart. If you choose to start fresh, simply click on the New Board button and a blank canvas will open up where you can start building your flowchart. Now, if you prefer to build your flowchart manually, you can do so by utilizing the shapes and arrows tools provided in Miro. These tools are designed to help you visually construct your flowchart step by step. Simply drag and drop the elements onto your board and connect them as needed to represent the flow of your process. Alternatively, if you'd like to save some time or need some inspiration, Miro offers a variety of pre-made templates that can serve as a foundation for your flowchart. To find these templates, head back to the dashboard and click on Explore Templates. In the search bar that appears, type in Flowchart. Here you'll be presented with a range of ready-to-use flowchart templates. Browse through the selections and choose one that best aligns with the structure and design you are envisioning for your project. Once you've selected a template that suits your needs, click on Use this template to open it on your board. This is where the fun begins. You can start editing and customizing the flowchart to fit your specific requirements. Add any additional steps, change the text and colors, or adjust any part of the template to tailor your flowchart exactly how you want it. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have a polished and functional flowchart in Miro to share with colleagues or use for your personal projects. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you harness your creativity and productivity in Miro.